everyone, welcome back to some Kiki and Monty. It's Kiki today, and I'm going to be showing you my pet bird. She is almost 4 months old, and she's obsessed with technology like a little kid. So whenever we try to play technology, she'll always look it up and go on our keyboards and stuff. She also loves eating human food. Yeah. So when we try to eat, she's always in the way. Even if she's not allowed it. Missy. So here is her cage. She loves mirrors. She's obsessed. She attacks the other bird. Food, water. And there's a little ball down there. And some other toys. I used this branch of eucalyptus here and pushed it together with some cuttlefish. She also loves eucalyptus leaves. Anybody will like that. So thank you everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. That was my pet bird, and I really love her. And I'm about to go for a sleepover, so I'm going to really miss her. Right now she's on my shoulder. Come on, hop off, Keeks. Kiki, look. Look, come on. Go on it. Come on. Kiki, you... Come on. Yeah, Kiki. Bye, everyone. Stay tuned for some more Kiki videos. Monty is at Bali right now, so make sure you stay tuned for more videos in Bali from her. Make sure you check out the squirrel video because that was in Bali. Thank you everyone Thank you everyone for watching. Bye. Again, seriously, when will you ever stop going on a phone? It's annoying, Kiki. Annoying. I can see your butt.